Hi, good afternoon. This is Rich Regal with Sea Ray Boats. I'm here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. This show, we're debuting the all-new Sundancer 320 Coupe. So why don't you step aboard, I'll tell you a little bit about this boat. As you step on the swim platform, the first thing that you'll notice, it's a Sundancer with triple outboards. Now this changes the game in the saltwater environment. Triple 250 horsepower outboards by Mercury. Allows you to get those drives up out of the water, great low end torque, and great fuel efficiency. As you move in here to the cockpit, great social zone, great place to just hang out, talk with your friends. You can see this boat is just great for being out on the water. Once you get to the helm, you can see this boat, one of the hallmarks of a Sea Ray is effortless performance, and we do that with the Mercury joystick. With the joystick power, you can run this boat sideways, backwards, spin it in a circle, makes everybody that salty old sea captain. Now the great thing about this boat, the all-new 320 Coupe, is you can see the glass. So you can see glass everywhere in this boat. It makes this boat feel so much bigger. As you can see, great easy way to access. Simply slide over, pull your walk-through door, and now you've got the elements outside the boat. But it also slides back effortlessly, gives you great access to the bow space. Recessed seating, so it's actually a cruiser that you can access the bow while you're underway. Great place to hang out and enjoy the day. So again, I'm Rich Regal, Sea Ray Boats, here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Please come down and see us.